G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo, Warm Jigger to another Rip Roaring episode. Today I've been asked about a chisel. Chisel for a nail bag, quick and easy chisel. Straight off the shelf is the Bahco chisel. It's a Sandvik or Bahco, which is Swedish steel. Very good chisel, straight off the shelf. Chisels ain't chisels, but this is a good all-rounder. Now, that's a good for a carpenter's chisel, but I've also got, you'll always see that I've always got two chisels, and this is what I call a construction chisel. So this is a Marples / Irwin. Marples used to be made in Sheffield, England. They're no longer made in Sheffield, England. Amazing, the old Marples chisels, if you can get your hands on them. Yellow and red handle. These are a construction chisel. You can see that they've got a metal end on them. They also have a pin that goes all the way through and they're joined up together. Very good chisel to have on everyday construction site. I call that the sacrificial chisel. My old teacher Les Smitty, I'm sorry mate, you'd call that an absolute nightmare of a chisel on site, but look, I use it for everything, and it's, as I said, sacrificial chisel. This, off the shelf, the Bahco chisel is fantastic. You can't beat it. Really quick, easy steel to sharpen up and give it a new edge to. 25mm wide, use it for everything. Around about 30-35 bucks off the shelf. So get into it and get smart. Thanks for watching. Any questions or queries, flick it over. I'll answer it for you best I can whenever I can. Thanks for watching, and like always, stay unreal banana peel. I'll see you in the soup.